If you want to add eSIM on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first of all we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings you want to proceed to Network and Internet. Then here you want to go to SIMs and Mobile Network, and then you should be able to find the Download New SIM option. Unless you don't have any physical SIM, then most likely you will have the Connect to Mobile Network menu straight away. Keep in mind that the eSIM option is not available in every region, so there is a chance that if you don't have the option to download an eSIM, it just means that in your case, in your region, you just cannot do that on your Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. So after that, we're gonna tap on set up an eSIM, but you can also transfer a SIM from another device. In my case, I'm gonna set it up. This allows me to open the rear camera and I can scan the QR code that you probably received from the carrier or operator or service provider. If you have the activation code and if you want to use it instead of scanning the QR code, then you can just go to enter activation code over here and then you can provide it in here. You can also scan a QR code from a photo if you have a picture of your QR code or if you have a screenshot or something. And that's pretty much all in this case. So if you scan the QR code, you should be able to set up your eSIM, follow instructions if they appear on your screen. And then we can go to settings over here, and if needed, activate your eSIM over here by tapping on this switcher. It might be necessary to start using it. That is all. Leave a like and subscribe.